Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another art video. Today I thought I would swatch my gray lipsticks for you. So I recently posted a black lipstick video. It's October now, it's well underway, and it's kind of the spooky season, so I posted the black lipsticks. But I also have 4 gray ones that might be kind of fun for spooky, colors or just whatever. So here we go. I have 2 liquid lipsticks. They're kind of my least favorite 2 of these, so let me just go ahead and swatch these for you. This one I got from Amazon. It's called Meat Girl, but it was under the name Endanta. I'll list all of these below. It's a straight up just like silver wash. It is very metallic. I do like the color. It's straight up silver. It's a straight up just silver. It smells like flowers. It's kind of interesting. However, this does not hold up on your lips. It flakes off very easily. It would probably be best over top of something else to give it that shimmer instead of just being the silver itself. I have another silver that might do a little better. So, it might work for some people. For me, I find it a little flaky, but otherwise really pleasant to wear. The doe foot's really tiny. The next one was a gift from a friend. It's called Vanatei. Like I said, they'll all be listed below. It is a liquid lipstick, and it's much darker, as you can see. It's almost black, but it is technically a very dark gray. Make that a little deeper. It's very matte and it does stay on well, but it is a little drying. I mean, matte lipsticks tend to be that way. I like it. I don't wear it very often. I mean, this color is kind of difficult to wear sometimes, but it's recommended. All of these are cruelty free, I believe. Oh, no, they're not. I'm sorry. And I'm not sure about this one. This one's cruelty free. The next one is not cruelty free, but it's a Revlon lipstick. It's called Moonlight. I love this color. I bought it before I knew about the whole animal testing, debacle. I mean, I knew animal testing existed, but not that all these makeup brands tested it. It's a very purpley gray. I really like this color. It's like the color of a shadow. It's really cool. It's a bullet lipstick, so it's not going to last you all day, but it's a very unique color. I haven't seen it in any other line. If you know of one, let me know. I'm not going to repurchase products that are not cruelty-free. And then the last one is a CoverGirl lipstick from the Exhibitionist line. There's a label over the front of it, but it's called Flushed. There are 60 of these lipsticks. I don't know if all of them are still being made. I have 32 of them. I like them a lot. They're very creamy. They smell great. They smell like a bakery. I've worn this a lot. It is a opaque silver metallic shimmer. It doesn't look as dark as this one, but even though it's a bullet lipstick, it's a little better quality. I don't mind reapplying this one just because it's so creamy and smells so good. The other ones I don't think they had. This one smells like flowers. The other 2 don't have a smell. No smell in the Vanatei one and the Revlon one. Oh, did I just get gray on my nose? So yeah, those are my gray lipsticks. Obviously very different from each other. So maybe you'll find something that you like. I swear this one isn't purple, it's actually gray, but it looks very smoky, purpley, gray, whatever you want to call it. So thanks for watching. We have lots of other swatch videos and other color lipstick videos. Like I said, we have the black one. I believe right now we also have a white lipstick video, green and yellow. And I'm working on lots more. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you can. It really helps the channel. All you have to do is click and hit the bell button. It'll tell you when I have other videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Quick update about those gray lipsticks. I just put a cleansing balm over the Meat Girl and Vanatei ones, and I've been scrubbing. They don't come off. So I wish this one stayed on your lips a little more. This one is definitely going to be long lasting. The next one is not, just come apart. I don't mind reapplying. I don't mind why can't I say it?